To use ChatGPT on your iPhone 17 here, if you press the side button, then you can see my ChatGPT is easily enabled. Hey ChatGPT, how are you?
Oh, we're straight. I'm Mika Nancy.
So how to enable this option? For that, open your setting, and from here you can see the action button, and here you can see the control. You can see a lot of options, but you need to select your control, and once you select controls, then you can see the voice mode. Now you have to select your open ChatGPT, this option middle one. If you select open ChatGPT, it's open the ChatGPT, and if you want to use the voice mode, then press on this option. Now go back, and if you press this option, your ChatGPT will be enabled. Hey, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's everything going on your end?
If video helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.